Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find similar items to a piece of clothing that you have in mind or that you have a picture of by simply uploading an image to the SHEIN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the first icon down below, which is the shop icon. And after that, as you can see at the top of the screen, there is this search bar, and next to it there's the camera icon. So click on it. And as you can see, this is the visual search function, meaning that you should take a photo or upload an image to find similar items to that one photo that you took. You have two options here. You can either take a photo with your phone now or upload a picture from your gallery. So click on the relevant one. I am going to choose the first one, but first I need to allow the application to have access to my camera. So click on the settings icon, and now I will be directed to my phone settings. Here I need to allow SHEIN to access my camera, so click on the camera icon, then go back. Tap on this camera icon again, take a photo, and now you should take a picture from the piece of clothing that you are searching for. Then click on use photo. Now it's analyzing the picture. As you can see, it says that this feature takes about a few seconds. And now here are the results. So I have found it successfully. The first one is the same dress that I was looking for. So now you are ready to get all the information about this particular product in the description section. See the size guide and the reviews of it, and after that, if it's suitable for you, you can add it to your shopping bag. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.